Guys, she completed everything. Except for that.
Naalala ko tuwing pumupunta kami sa Mall of Qatar at dumadaan kami dyan sa may arcade. Palagi kong sinasabi na gusto kong gawin yung obstacle na yan. And one day, sabi ko gagawin ko yan. May time pa na niyaya ko si Leia noon pero sabi nila Joseph, wag na, wag na. And hindi pa siguro buo yung loob ko noon kaya siguro hindi ko siya pinilit na gawin yon. And just last night while we were having dinner kami ni Ania, niyaya ko lang siya bigla na sabi ko, anak, why don't we go to the extreme land? I would like to do the obstacle course today. And she said, are you sure, Mom? And then I said, yes. And when I saw that bucket, sabi ko, uupo ba ako dyan? Kasya ba ako dyan? Kakayanin kaya ako nito? And then sabi nung guy, you have to stand up. And nagulat ako kasi nakaya ako ng bucket. Well, gusto kong maniwala na may significance ang obstacle course na to sa buhay ko. While I was doing the obstacle course, naisip ko, nako, baka mahilo ako, matumba ako. I must admit na meron akong fear of heights. How did I conquer my fear? Hindi ako tumingin sa baba. Madalas tumitingin ako pa itaas kasi mas parang ang lapit ng ceiling sa akin kesa ng floor. So, hindi ako natakot. Tumitingin lang ako sa ibaba pagka chinecheck ko si Ania, kung nasa na siya, kung anong ginagawa niya. And pag kinakausap ko siya, kung proud ba siya sa ginagawa ko or natatakot siya for me. This obstacle course is incomparable dun sa mga talagang serious na hiking and nature treks or mountain climbing. In my adolescence, na-experience ko mamundok, umakyat ng mga puno, umakyat sa bundok, sumakay sa palapa ng nyog at magpadaos-os. Naranasan kong maglambitin at magduyan sa mga sanga ng puno hanggang mabutas ang aming mga shorts na tinahipan ng aming lola. Naranasan ko din ang magtampisaw at tumawid ng mga maliliit na ilog. At syempre, manghuli ng mga tutubi, ng paru-paro at mga tipaklong, ng mga palaka at ng mga isda. Tumatalon sa mga malalalim na parte ng dagat, na may mga shark. Panakot lang naman namin yung mga tiger sharks na yan kasi nag-e-enjoy kaming maglaro sa parte ng dagat na malayo na sa aplaya. Yung parte na hindi na namin marinig ang sigaw ng aming masungit na lola. Pero mahal na mahal namin siya. And at the end of the day, uuwi kaming mga madudungis pero masasayang mga bata. Ito na yung point na sobrang pinakamataas na and dito yung obstacle na muntik ko ng sukuan. Kasi medyo nahihilo na ako dyan and sweaty. So sabi ko parang hanggang dito na lang gusto ko nang isuko. But the guy encouraged me. Sabi niya, you can do it, you can do it. And you'll be the first woman to finish the obstacles if you finish everything. And you know what I realized? The first step is always the hardest. And step by step na ginawa ko, talagang nanginginig yung katawan ko. But I'm so proud of myself kasi natapos ko yung obstacle. I had beautiful experiences also in Palau. The Jellyfish Lake, the Rock Island Tour, the nature trekking, pero nakalimutan ko na kung anong place na yon. And then at the end of the journey, nakarating kami sa isang napakagandang area na may falls. Pero syempre, both indoor and outdoor adventures and activities na na-experience ko, parehong may adrenaline rush, parehong may excitement, may fear, and anticipation na matatapos ko yung challenges. Pero syempre, in every journey, in between those moments, makakaramdam ka ng takot, yung frustration, feeling of giving up. Aside sa physical and mental strength, it will test the hardest and the softest part of your body, mind, and spirit, and how strong your guts and your heart too. Matitest din dito yung resiliency mo, if you have a heart of gratitude and humility. Siyempre, ang pinagkaiba lang ng outdoor and indoor activities, mas safe ka dito sa indoor kasi may mga harness, may mga medics na willing and ready to save and help you and rescue you if worst comes to worst. Journeying is about finding yourself and losing yourself at the same time. Kasi matitest mo dito yung sarili mo. It will define you and it will remind you also of who you are and who you want to become. During my obstacle course journey and experience, wala akong inisip kundi paano humakbang. Yun lang. At paano ko matatapos yung bawat obstacle course. It was really challenging and some of it were easy. But all in all, I enjoyed every minute of it. Every portion, every step, and every part of it, na-enjoy ko siya. Natatakot pero nakangiti. Napapagod at kinakabahan pero nag-anticipate. And I believe, like Miss Universe answer, it is always the journey that gives you excitement and lessons. And to wrap it up, I've learned that the journey is just as important as the destination. To be honest, mas nag-enjoy ako dun sa process of getting there more than the destination itself, yung last part ng obstacle course. So, it was really a great experience and maybe one day soon, ulitin ko ulit siya. And I would be happy to see Ania doing the obstacle course too. Kasi it will help her to discover her strength. She will learn to adapt. And she'll be able to conquer her fears. And lastly, I am not even worthy to mention his name, but I give all the glory and honor to God because I know mababaw lang naman to na obstacle course, but I know He helped me through it.
Guys, the diva's coming down.
Finally, nagawa ko din yung